my name is Ziba. I am a first-year PhD research student in the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering in University of Sheffield. Today, I will be talking to you about my research.
What I'm also going to be doing today is share with you what I love about my research. Now, research is one thing I find really amazing. Research has actually led to a whole lot of discoveries, and till date, still makes a huge impact in the body of academia. In my first year, I have been exposed to a whole lot of information on my research titled Methane Formation in Sewer Systems. Follow me as I tell you all about it.
So this first year has actually been a really challenging one for me, which I think is typical for any PhD student. But what I believe has kept me going, is having a positive mindset and being passionate about what I do. And I can confidently say that I am passionate about what I do. I developed this passion after a master's degree here in Sheffield at the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering, where I studied environmental and energy engineering. As a way of getting by with my PhD journey, I tried to make the big tasks into little tasks that I try to accomplish each day. And every time I accomplish those tasks, it, gives me this sense of fulfillment. So now we're headed to the Diamond Building, where I get a lot of inspiration from. Let's go. So this is the Diamond Building. It is really gorgeous. This is the largest investment for the University of Sheffield in teaching and learning. It cost over £81 million, and this is where I spend most of my nights researching and looking up articles and everything. So let's go. Here at the University of Sheffield, I am being supervised by one of the best in the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering. She is Dr. Henriette Jensen. My research is titled Methane Formation in Sewer Systems. Just to give you a background of my research. And so methane is, an odorless gas. It is colorless. It's got a lower explosive limit of about 5% in air. And what this means is if this gas is, uncontrollably released into the atmosphere from, say, manholes in the sewer systems or from vents, it can potentially cause an explosion when mixed with other pollutants in the air. Another thing about methane is that it's a greenhouse gas. It's a potent greenhouse gas. That greenhouse gases actually help trap the heat from the sunlight, to keep us all warm on Earth. So as a result of anthropogenic activities, this has led to an increase in the concentration of this gas, methane gas, in the atmosphere. This is a great concern for a whole lot of industries and environmental bodies worldwide, as they constantly seek different ways and strategies and how methane gas can actually be mitigated. But my concern is actually seeking ways methane gas can be mitigated from sewer systems. So sewer systems are actually like a network of pipes that convey wastewater from a point to the wastewater treatment plant before it's been discharged. These points could be from our houses or from the offices or from the streets. Now, methane in its dissolved state in the sewers is actually not an issue. The issue lies where the gas is being emitted as a result of turbulence that goes on in the sewers. Currently, studies have been carried out and models have been developed in order to predict methane emission from sewer systems. But one limitation of these models is that they have been focused on just particular regions like Australia. So far, none of the studies have had anything to do with the UK, and that's one of the things I would like to look out for in my research. My research actually, seeks to provide an in-depth understanding of the chemical and biological transformations that, go on in the sewer systems. And I would also want to be looking at some sewer systems here in the UK as well. And this would actually entail field sampling of wastewater from treatment plants. It would also entail me carrying out lab analysis and all of that. And this would also help me, identify factors that actually lead to methane formation in the sewer systems. So this is what I'm actually going to be on about for the next couple of years, and it's something that I'm looking forward to. How beneficial is this research going to be to the society? Well, I think it's going to help mitigate the release of methane gas that results in explosion from the sewer systems from a health and safety perspective. And I also think that it's also going to contribute to the fight against global warming, which is as a result of the emission of greenhouse gases. Thank you.